So you've just had your stem wall repaired and you're ready to get it painted. It's important to wait 2 weeks before painting over the stem wall so the cement has proper time to cure. Our crews don't offer stem wall painting at this time, but that doesn't mean we can't give you information to help you save money. So what kind of paint should be used? Will your basic exterior house paint work? Let's dive in. Before you start painting your stem wall, you need to gather the necessary materials. Here is what you'll need. Exterior elastomeric masonry paint, paintbrushes and rollers, drop cloths or plastic sheets, painter's tape, paint tray, and liner surface preparation. Start by cleaning the stem wall thoroughly. Remove any dirt, dust, or loose debris using a wire brush or a power washer. Apply an elastomeric primer. Primers help the paint adhere better and ensures a uniform finish after your stem wall has been primed. After your stem wall has been primed, you can begin to apply elastomeric paint to protect your stem wall. It's important to note that this is not your basic exterior house paint. This caliber of paint is specific to masonry, cement, etc. A common exterior house paint will not last very long on your stem wall. Elastomeric paint is designed specifically with masonry and concrete in mind. Painting your stem wall not only adds a finishing touch to the repair work, but also ensures its longevity and protection against the elements. With the right materials and proper technique, you can have a beautifully painted stem wall that stands the test of time. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions on paint cans for specific guidance on drying times, temperature conditions, and any additional recommendations. You can get these paints and all the supplies at your local hardware store, Lowe's, or Home Depot. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. Hit that like and subscribe button and check us out on Facebook and Instagram under Arizona Foundation Solutions. And we'll see you again in the next video.